Suck it up and be a badass. Hello everyone, Sanbonani, it's Samasoli here. Today I've got a great full body workout for you guys. So to add some intensity on my workout, I decided to get a couple of new home workout equipment from Takealot. So for today's full body workout, we've got reverse lunge to knee high, mountain climbers, side to side squats, jumping jacks, planks to toe reaches, and get up squats to jump squat. Now all of these exercises can be performed without the equipment, but if you wish to get more out of your workout, you can use equipment. That's it. Check out the link below for all the equipment that I was using during my workouts.